Hello guys, we're going to solve this question for an amplifier with these S parameters. We're going to find the constant input constant gain circles for 210 minus 1 dB and the output constant gain circles for 10 and minus 1 dB. We're going to use the MATLAB program as you can see, and we're going to use the Kitab Studio program. First of all, we're going to import the Smith chart. Then we're going to the MATLAB program. As you can see, we filled the S parameters in it. Now we're going to find for minus 1 dB. Press constant gain circles. We can see as the phase for the constant input constant gain circles is 155 for 2 dB, as the same phase but with different values. Now we're going to draw a line from the center to the phase, through the phase 155. We'll choose a pen. Now we're going to use the compass. As you can see, the center is in the at 0.567 from the center. So we're going to change it to the Smith chart scale. We'll put one side of the compass at the center and at 0.567. Then we're going to draw from the center of the Smith chart a small line cutting the line we draw before, and this is the center of our circle, our first circle. Then the radius of our circle is 0.254, so we'll change the scale to the Smith chart scale. We'll put one side of the compass at the center and the other side at 0.256. Sorry guys. That's right. Okay. Then we're going to draw a circle from at the center we decided before. Put a pen. Then we draw our first circle at 2 dB. We're gonna put a 2 dB on this circle to know, just to know after if you're going to do it as a homework or anything. And after doing this for all the values as 1 dB, 0 dB and minus 1 dB, you'll see that you get these circles, and these are the input constant gain circles. Now for the output constant gain circles, we chose first 1 dB, so the phase is minus 20, is 20 as you can see. So we're going to draw a line from the center through the 20 we change the color to blue as you can see, and using the pen we draw the line. Now we're gonna see on the MATLAB program where's the center of the circle. The center, as you can see, at 0.484. So on the MATLAB scale, put one side of the compass at the center and the other side, as you can see, at 0.8484. That's right. And we're going to draw a small line, cutting the line we drew before, just to see where the center of the circle, of the 1 dB circle. Now we're going to see the radius. The radius is 0.197. So we go to the scale and we see 197. Okay. It gives us 1.6 centimeters, and we draw a line, and this is our 1 dB output constant gain circle. And after doing this for the 0 and minus 1 dB, you will get this. This is the input constant gain circles on the left and the output constant gain circles on the right. And that's all. Thank you guys for listening. This video was done by Muad Al Dawood and Iyad Al Alimat, supervised by Dr. Abdullah Al Zu'bi. Thank you guys.